Hello students, welcome to our channel at Our Thoughts. In this we are seeing the page number 7. Read the following sentence and change the form of underlined words as directed. His family was screaming and offering him food. Now this one we need to change to adjective, the word screaming. So the answer, the screaming family offered him food. Next, the young seagull gave out a loud call. Change the sentence to adverb and the word loud. Answer, the young seagull called out loudly. Third, the bird cackled amusedly while flying. Change to noun. The bird cackled with amusement while flying. The depth of the sea from the ledge scared the seagull. Now change to adjective. The deep sea scared the seagull on the ledge. The successful flight of the bird was a proud moment for the seagull's family. Change to verb. It was a proud moment for the seagull's family when the bird flew successfully. To change the parts of the speech of the given words in the chart: noun, verb, adjective and adverb. First, noun, exhaustion. In adverbs, it is exhausted. In adjective, exhaustive, exhausting, exhausted. In adverb, exhaustingly or exhaustively. Noun, the given verb is widen. Answer in noun with, adjective wide, adverb widely. Next, in adjective, mad. In noun, madness. In verb, maddened. And in adverb, madly. Next, in adverb, perfectly. In noun, perfection. Verb, perfect or perfects or perfecting or perfected. In adjective, perfect. Use the following words to construct meaningful sentence on your own. First one, covered. Sita is not a covered girl. Next, Beam is not a covered boy. Second, gradual. There is a gradual increase in the groundwater level due to rainwater harvesting. Next sentence, change in climatic condition is a gradual process. Third, praise. He smiles when you praise him. Another sentence, she wrote a poem on the topic praise. Ram is worthy of all praise and honor. Next sentence, courageous. Everyone honors courageous people. Balu wishes to be courageous in all situations. Fifth, starvation. The animals died because of starvation and thirst. The dog died due to starvation. Here is a travelogue by the students of Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Pattikottai, after their trip to Darjeeling. Listen to the travelogue and answer the following questions. After listening, now we are going to fill in the blanks with suitable words. The students visited Space City. By hearing the listening audio, it is Darjeeling. Next, Space is the third highest mountain in the world, Kanchenjunga. Space Hill is 13 km away from Darjeeling, Tiger Hill. The drinking water is supplied by Space Lake to the city, Senchal. After Senchal Lake, they visited Batasia Loop. Do you think they had a memorable and enjoyable school trip? Yes, they had a memorable and enjoyable school trip. Name a few places that you wish to visit with your classmates as a school trip. I wish to visit Bali Islands, Kathmandu, and Kashmir with my classmates as a school trip. State whether the following statements are true or false. As the sky was cloudy, they could get the glimpse of the Mount Everest. False. The toy train covers 14 kilometers in 3 hours. True. Tiger Hill has earned international fame for the best sunset view. True. Here is a dialogue between a father and his daughter. Continue the dialogue with at least 5 utterance and use all the clues given below. Hi Mary, it has been a very long time since we went on a trip. Let's plan one. Now, Mary. Yes, Dad, I'm also longing to go. Why don't we plan one for this weekend? Sure. Tell me, where shall we go? Some place nearby, but for at least 2 days. I think we should go to the reserved forest nearby. Yeah, I have never been to a forest. I have seen a forest only on the TV and movies. The forest is a good choice. Father, okay. If we are going to the forest, we must list out what we should carry with us for 2 days. Mary, I think we should carry suitable clothes like moisture wicking garments covering our hands and legs, hand gloves, gaiters, and handwear. Father, what about the food? Do you have any idea, Mary? Yeah, for food, I suggest we take dehydrated foods, a packet of instant coffee packets and tea bags, energy bars, chocolate, nuts, sandwich making materials, kakaras, the dry chapatis. Cheese and cup noodles will be of great help. Father, I think we need to wear our trekking shoes and take our sleeping bags too. Do you think we need to take anything else? Mary, yes, Dad, a torchlight, water bottles, and mosquito repellent we must take. I think now we are all set to go on our trip. What is bungee jumping? Bungee jumping is an activity that involves jumping from a tall structure while connected to a long elastic cord. Next, can bungee be performed from a movable object and how? Bungee can be performed from a movable object such as hot air balloon or helicopter that has the ability to hover above the ground. When do you think bungee becomes thrilling? When the person jumps, the cord stretches and the jumper flies upward again as the cord recoils and continues to oscillate up and down until all the kinetic energy is dissipated. Now, bungee becomes thrilling from the free falling and the rebound. Fourth, what is the experience when one falls off the platform? It is extremely astounding, adventurous, stunning, and thrilling. Where is the bungee jumping point located in India? Bungee jumping point is located in Mohan Chetty village in Rishikesh, India at a height of 83 meters. What is the minimum age to bungee jump? The minimum age to bungee jump is 12 years. Grammar part, complete this sentence using appropriate models, using appropriate clues which is given now. When I was a child, I space climbed trees easily, but now I cannot. The clue word which is given in the bracket is ability in the past. So the model verb we used to or could climb. Second, I space win this singing contest. And the clue word determination. So the model word we use will. I will win this singing contest. Third, you space buy this book. It is worth buying. Advice or suggestion. The model word we use you shall buy this book. It is worth buying. Pungodai space speaks several languages. Ability in the present. So the model verb can. Pungodai can speak several languages. I swear, I space tell lies again. On the bracket promise. I swear I shall tell lies again. My father space play badminton in the evening when he was at college. Past habit is the clue word. So used to model verb is used. My father used to play badminton in the evenings when he was at college. You space do as I say. It is a command. The model verb shall or ought to. You shall do as I say. Next, I have I have another glass of water. A request. So the modal verb could. Could I have another glass of water? It's a request. CB has not practiced hard, but his pace win the race. It is a possibility. The modal verb can or will can be used. CB has not practiced hard, but he can win the race, or but he will win the race. We space preserve our natural resource. It is a duty. The word bracket given duty. The modal verb should can be used. We should preserve our natural resources. Rewrite the following sentence by rectifying the errors in the use of modals. First, would I would I have your autograph? The would is a modal used here. It is a error. It is replaced by could. Could I have your autograph? Second, I can be 15 next April. Can is the modal. It should be rectified. And the right model is will. I will be 15 next April. Take an umbrella. It should rain later. Should is error. May is right. Take an umbrella. It may rain later. The magistrate ordered that he might pay the fine. Might is an error. Must is right. The magistrate ordered that he must pay the fine. Make me a cup of tea, shall you? Shall error. Use the will right model. Make me a cup of tea, will you? You must speak politely to the elders. May is the model used. Error. Must right one. You must speak politely to the elders. You will get your teeth cleaned at least once a year. Will is the error, should is the right. You should get your teeth cleaned at least once a year. We could grow vegetables in our kitchen garden, but we don't do it now. Could is an error, it is rectified to used to. We used to grow vegetables in our kitchen garden, but we don't do it now. Must I get your jacket? The weather is cold. Must is the wrong error. It is rectified to should. Should I get your jacket? The weather is cold. 10th, could the train be on time? Could is the error model which is replaced by will. Will the train be on time? Read the dialogue and fill in the blanks with suitable models. Dad. Shall we go out for dinner tonight, Sharon? Yes, Dad, we should go to a restaurant where I can have some ice cream. Dad, then I will be home by 7 pm. Mom and you should be ready by then. Sharon, sure, we will. My friend told me that there is a magic show nearby. Could you please take us there? Dad, we may not have time to go for the magic show, I suppose. If we have enough time left, we can plan. Sharon, by the way, should we inform our gatekeeper about our outing? Yes, we should, so that he will be aware we aren't at home. Sharon, shall I call up mom and tell her about our plan today? Dad, yes, Otto, otherwise we might be in trouble when she returns home. Sharon, by the time you come home in the evening, we will be waiting for you. Hope you won't be late. Bye. Read the following dialogues and supply appropriate models. Student, can we leave our bags in the class during the break? Teacher, yes, you can, but arrange them neatly. Passenger, my children is 6 years old. Do I have to buy him a ticket? Conductor, yes, you should. It costs half of the price of an adult ticket. Vani, can we go for coffee after the meeting? Yoga, no, I cannot. I have to go home. Salesman, when can I receive my order? Customer, I can assure you, sir, the order will be delivered tomorrow. Neela, do you think I should write about my education background in the resume? Preeti, yes, you should. You will or may get a better job. Here are a few sentences already done for you. The clues given would be helpful to or make more sentences on your own. I would suggest that you take the Uravan Express to Tanjavur from Chennai. You will be more comfortable if you could book 3-tier AC. You could enjoy the Kallanai Dam near Tanjavur. You should visit the big temple at Tanjavur. You must not miss the museum in Tanjavur. You can buy art plates and dancing dolls, which is very famous in Tanjavur. Saraswati Mahal, a library, is a must place to visit in Tanjavur. You can take the Madura Express to go to Tanjavur. You can visit the church located near Tanjavur at Pundi, which is called Pundi Mada Kovil. Don't miss Thiruvayaru, you ought to experience its grandeur. Change the following sentence to otherwise. The manager appointed many of his assistants. Many of his assistants were appointed by the manager. Second, you are making a cake now. Now, a cake is being made by you. Third, that portrait was painted by my grandmother. My grandmother painted that portrait. Fourth, Malini had bought a colorful hat for her daughter. A colorful hat had been bought by Malini for her daughter. They have asked me to pay the fine. I have been asked to pay the fine by them. Sixth, the militants were being taken to prison by the police. The police were taking the militants to prison. His behavior vexes me. I am vexed by his behavior. Rosie will solve the problem. The problem will be solved by Rosie. Our our army has defeated the enemy. The enemy has been defeated by our army. The salesman answered all the questions patiently. All the questions were answered patiently by the salesman. Change the following into passive voice. Please call him at once. Request him to be called at once. How did you cross the river? How was the river crossed by you? No one is borrowing the novels from the library. The novels from the library the novels from the library are not being borrowed by anyone. Will you help me? Will I be helped by you? Go for a jog early in the morning. You are advised to go for a jog early in the morning. Why have you left your brother at home? Why has your brother been left at home by you? Nobody should violate the rules. Let the rules not be violated by anyone. Someone has to initiate it immediately. It has to be initiated by someone immediately. Have you invited Raman to the party? Has Raman been invited by you to the party? Please do not walk on the grass. You are requested not to walk on the grass. Cross the busy roads carefully. You are instructed to cross the busy roads carefully, or another way of writing, let the busy roads be crossed by you carefully. When will you book the tickets to Bangalore? When will the tickets to Bangalore be booked by you? In the following sentence the verbs have two objects, namely direct object and the indirect objects. Change each of the following sentence into two passive using direct object as the subject in one and indirect object in the other. John gave a bar of chocolate to Jill. Jill was given a bar of chocolate by John. A bar of chocolate was given by John to Jill. Pragati lent a pencil to Kirtana. Kirtana was lent a pencil by Pragati, and other one, a pencil was lent by Pragati to Kirtana. Third, Sudha told the truth to her friend. Sudha's friend was told the truth by Sudha. The truth was told by Sudha to her friend. They offered the job to Venkat. Venkat was offered the job by them. The job was offered by them to Venkat. The boss showed the new computer to Kavya. Kavya was shown the new computer by the boss. The new computer was shown by the boss to Kavya. Rewrite the following passage in passive voice. First, I will read the given passage, which is in active voice. A few days ago, someone stole Ambrose's motorbike. Ambrose had left it outside his house. He reported the theft to the police. The police told him that they would try to find his motorbike. This morning, they found his motorbike. The police called Ambrose to the police station. The thieves had painted it and then sold it to someone else. The new owner had parked the motorbike outside a mall when the police found it. After an inquiry, the police arrested the thieves. Now change the passage to passive voice. First, a few days ago, someone stole Ambrose's motorbike. In passive, Ambrose's motorbike was stolen by someone a few days ago. Second sentence, Ambrose had left it outside his home. It had been left outside his house by Ambrose. Third, he reported the theft to the police. The theft was reported to the police by him. The police told him that they would try to find his motorbike. He was told by the police that they would try to find his motorbike. This morning they found his motorbike. This morning his motorbike was found. This morning they found his motorbike. This morning his motorbike was found. The police called Ambrose to the police station. Ambrose was called to the police station by the police. The thieves had painted it and then sold it to someone else. It had been painted by the thieves and then it was sold to someone else. The new owner had parked the motorbike outside a mall when the police found it. The motorbike had been parked by the new owner outside a mall when it was found by the police. After an inquiry, the police arrested the thieves. After an inquiry, the thieves were arrested by the police. Thank you.